Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If leveling up on your baking skills, cooking skills, living an active lifestyle and learning new recipes is of paramount to you, then you're in the right place. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's go straight into today's video. In today's video, we'll be making the best crunchy and yummy chin-chin flakes ever, and the full recipe is going to be in the description box below. In this recipe, there is no butter, no egg, and no baking powder, and it tastes yummy and very crunchy. We have an ongoing course for an aspiring baker and an advanced level baker who want to level up on her baking skills and culinary skills and also event planning skills. So do watch to the end of this video for more details, or for full details. Watch this video till the end. And also check our description box below to get full details on how to join our bakers community today. At this point, you need to roll it out very flat. That is what differentiates it from chin-chin. You need to roll it out very flat, because we know it is chin-chin flakes. So what differentiates chin-chin flakes is the flatness. So it needs to be very flat. And also, butter is not used in this recipe, like I said earlier. I have tried the recipe with butter, but trust me, it won't come out well. That is why we make use of oil. So make sure you roll very flat as possible. Which do you prefer, the fried Chin-Chin Flakes or the baked Chin-Chin Flakes? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Are you an aspiring baker, or are you ready to take your baking skills, event planning skills, and other skill acquisition to an advanced level? Then click on the link in the description box below to join our mastering community today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first person to know if I drop a new video.